Man, what are you doing?
Trying to get it into that.
Is it me or is that tornado?
It won't let you zoom in on it.
Guess what? They got to look for me. They'll be able to see the orange floating in there. Oh, there it goes. There's Dorothy. Look at that Tony Stark. There she goes.
Here, take it right there. Right there. That's a. Oh my God! Look at that. Record, girl.
I was
Hey,
recording.
when you recording the door?
It's a tornado.
Look at that,
I see it.
Michael.
Come, it's a tornado.
Sure, you might be excited over there.
Cause it's cool. I've never seen one before.
You might want to notify Samson that there's a tornado touching down on Holly Road. Where the phone at?
Well, we don't know for sure if it's a
We don't know that for
14.
sure. That's what it is, Michael.
Well, you by the time you. Yes.
Put your hand in that window.
Angela was still across the street. The next day, she'd have to go out there and pick up her shingle.
Dorothy, shut your mouth. Cool, look at the sand. Fly. That is sand. Or dirt, whatever it is.
Oh my God, that's a big tornado.
That's cool. Good God, look at the satellite dish thingy.
Make sure you're out there about to snap.
Honey!
Look at this, come look.
Oh, hell.
Look at that door. Oh! Look out the back door. What's that
Look
tornado?
at that shit blowing.
Oh, hell.
You should shut her mouth.
Look at that bird going.
Honey, look at that tornado.
Hey, let's go look at my window.
That shit's gonna come right over top of little Johnny and Christy's house.
Oh, you're okay, Louie.
I'm gonna tell you one thing.
You ain't flying away.
That house over there where Tiger Man lives, there will be some shingles